Okay, let's look at different types of matrices questions that we can answer in a normal time. Let's say 6 minutes or so. So I'll be sampling questions and I'll be quite fast. I hope you follow me. All right. So imagine you've been given to say a matrix A is given by 2, 1, 4, 3, and the matrix B is given by 2, 1, 4, 0, 1, negative 1, 3. Then they say find A, number 1, find AB, okay, and number 2, they say find BT, and number 3, they say find A, like that. So how can we find this? So first of all, okay, so let's look at the solutions now. Let's look at the solutions as fast as possible. Okay, let's go, Bane. We can do this. So AB means you are multiplying A and B. And how do you multiply? A row by column, right? So let's go. So AB will be equal to, I'll do this. So 2 multiplied by 2, you get 4. Plus 1 times 0, you get 0. That's how you multiply. Next, 2 times 1, you get 2. Plus 1 times 1, you get 1. Next is 2 times 4, which is 8. 1 times negative 3, we get negative 3. You close. You are done for that row for multiplying everyone. Then you go to the second row. This second row should multiply every element there. So what is 4 times 2? 8. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1, it's 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 4, 16. 3 times negative 3, you get negative 9. Then you just have to simplify this. And you'll be done. That will be 4, that will be 3, that will be 5, that will be 8, that will be 7, and of course that will be 7. And you are done. Can you fail? Let's move on. We go to BT. Now, BT means it's a transpose, okay? BT means B transpose. So to transpose is to just like you change. The rows become columns and columns become rows. So this is a row, it becomes a column. 2, 1, 4. This is also a row, it becomes a column. So 0, 1, negative 3. That is BT. Next is A inverse. So A inverse is just like the inverse of A. So this is the inverse of A. How do you find the inverse of a matrix? The first thing is find the determinant. Remember, the inverse of a matrix is equal to 1 over the determinant of that matrix multiplied by the adjoint of that matrix. So let us find first the determinant, det A. Determinant of a matrix A. So determinant, we multiply this, which is 6, minus the product of this, which is 4, and the answer is what? 2. That's how we find the determinant. So we know what to put here. Then adjoint. Adjoint of a matrix, the same way this matrix is, okay, the same way this matrix is, to find the adjoint is that these two, they swap each other. So 3 goes there, then 2 goes there. Then these two, they change signs. This is positive 4, becomes negative 4. This is positive 1, becomes negative 1. That's the adjoint. So now we know where to put each. So 1 over 2, we are multiplying it by 3, negative 1, negative 4, and 2. We have to multiply throughout. This will give us 3 over 2, negative 1 over 2, negative 4 over 2, and 2 over 2. We can simplify this and hence conclude that A inverse is just equal to 3 over 2, negative 1 over 2, negative 2, and 1. And we're done. Okay, let us also look at this question fast. So given that matrix A is x2, 4, 7, and that the determinant of matrix A is negative 4, find the value of x. Now, since they have given us the determinant of the matrix, so we know that det A is just equal to 7 times x, which is 7x, minus 4 times 2, you get 8. And they're saying this is equal to negative what? 4. That's what they mean there. So we are saying 7x minus 8 is equal to negative 4. So we have 7x is equal to negative 4 plus 8, which is 7x is equal to 4. So x is just equal to 7 over 4. And you are done. Oh, sorry. Not 7 over 4. but x is equal to 4 over 7. That's the value of x. That means our matrix now becomes 4 over 7, 2, 4, and 7 there. Next is the inverse of A. Now that we know the matrix A, that is this, to find the inverse, we know already the determinant is there. So we just have to find the what? Adjoint. So just first find the adjoint. The adjoint is that these many diagonal elements, you swap them. So 7 goes there, then 4 over 7 comes there. Then these, they change signs, -4 and -2. Then you multiply this by the the inverse of a determinant. So A inverse just be equal to 1 over -4, multiplying by 7, -2, -4, and 4 over 7. Multiplying this throughout gives us 7 over -4, -2 over -4, and -4 over -4. Then we have 4 over 7. Remember, we are dividing, so this will be multiplied by 1 over 4, but with a negative down there. And this can simplify to, let me just erase this part here. This will simplify to A inverse being equal to, this will just still be like that, while this will remain to half, because negative and negative will cancel, and this will just remain to 1. While here that 4 and that 4 will go, but there will be a -1 over 7. And you are done. So this is all I had for you. Exactly 6 minutes and you are done.